Hey everyone, just here to tell you a little bit about emerald nuts. They're definitely one of my most favorite brands. As a vegetarian, I eat a lot of nuts because not only do I like them, but they provide protein and they're great to snack on and delicious. I love pecans, walnuts, cashews, and peanuts, and those are all my favorites. These are specifically glazed pecans. So I bought these in the grocery store last night when I was food shopping with my husband, and I saw these and they were actually a really great price. And I love glazed pecans, like flavored pecans in my salad. They go so great with like cranberries, so I usually do you could do any kind of lettuce, romaine, mixed greens, arugula, spinach, cranberries, and glazed pecans. They go so good together and they are delicious. So these are pecans glazed for a tasty bit of sweetness. They are kosher, and this is a 5-ounce container. Well, actually it says there's only 1 gram of protein, so we'll get to that on the back when we go to the nutrition facts. I actually thought there would be more protein because I know nuts have a lot of protein usually, so I'm not sure what's up with that, but these are very tasty. They're non-GMO project verified, no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors, and they are certified gluten-free, so people that have celiac don't have to worry when they have these. Think outside the pie with a handful or 2 or 3 of our buttery pecans, lightly glazed to sweet, snacktastic perfection. Nutologists at Emerald are working tirelessly to bring you the tastiest breakthroughs in the realm of nut experience. Let's hang out, get on social media, or visit emeraldnuts.com. Ingredients: pecans, sugar, tapioca syrup, salt, vegetable oil. Contains 1 or more of the following: canola oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, soy lecithin, and rosemary extract. Contains pecans and soy. Distributed by SL Snacks National LLC in Charlotte, North Carolina. Allergy Information, manufactured on shared equipment that handles other tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and milk. So it shows you what the nut looks like. Of course, it's enlarged to show the detail. Nutrition facts: there's 5 servings per container. Serving size is 3 tablespoons. Calories 150. Total fat 11 grams. Saturated fat 1 gram. Trans fat 0 gram. Polyunsaturated fat 3.5 grams. Monounsaturated fat 6 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 125 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 12 grams. Dietary fiber 1 gram. And total sugars 10 grams. Includes 9 grams added sugars and only 1 gram of protein. I'm surprised, but that's fine. I'm sure you could probably make a wonderful pecan pie or something with these too, if you don't just have it in your salad or just to snack on. So this is what they look like. You guys can kind of see the texture and stuff. I also love that they're pretty crunchy. Oh, I just got one on the floor. I love that they're crunchy too. I love food that kind of has a crunch to it. It almost reminds me of Cracker Jacks, but without the popcorn and a healthier version. So delicious. I love glazed pecans. I mean, regular pecans. I think Emerald has regular pecans as well, but there's just something about those glazed ones, and they're so good. They melt in your mouth. They're fantastic. And I love Emerald nuts too. They have I'll have to make another video to show you guys, but they have a cashew, a spicy cashew, jalapeno nut, which is delicious just to snack on, salt and pepper cashews. They have all different types of nuts, and they're always really good, and I'm very, very happy with this brand. And you can find it online. You can find it in most grocery stores or other wholesale stores. And I bought a couple of bags last night because they were a great price, and I know that I'm going to go through them rather quickly. I mean, I think I'm already halfway through the bag from making several salads for me and my husband for lunch and stuff like that. So I definitely suggest you pick up a few because I know you're going to love them. Taste is delicious. So if you're looking for an anytime snack and you enjoy pecans or nuts, definitely try these out. Put them in your salad. You could bake with them. You can give them to I'm sure your kids will love them too because they're a little bit sweet. So you could put them in your kid's lunchbox. You could put them in a Ziploc bag and put them in your purse. And that's what I do. I snack all day long. So these are emerald glazed pecans. And I hope that you guys try them out and I hope you love them. And I thank you so much for watching. Thanks, guys.